Hello, Aries, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drum roll. Wow, the Fool card. So this is beautiful energy, traveling lightly, letting go of that which no longer serves you. There's a brand new fresh start here for you this week. Okay, so don't dwell on the past. This is kind of like you daring. Okay, this is the week where you're going to dare to make some kind of bold change in your life, or maybe somebody is ready to make that bold change towards you. But there will be a sacrifice, or maybe a few sacrifices and a few roadblocks. But I do sense that there is this kind of energy that I'm picking up on where you are protected. Okay, you are protected, and I do sense that this is going to be a very imminent move that you're going to be making. Okay, I do sense that there's also kind of like this stale or maybe depressed kind of energy that is going to be revitalized. It's going to be kind of taken away from your energy, and your energy is going to start feeling more renewed, more kind of connected to your inner being. So I do sense that some way or another you're going to be shown some kind of new way. Now again, this could be you, this could be the other person, this could be related to any family matters, any relationship matters. It could be career related, it could be family related, friendship, whatever it is. I do see that there's somebody here thinking long and hard about some kind of decision, whether this is you or the other person. There is somebody here trying to strategize. It's sort of like they write messages, but then they erase them. You know, it's sort of like, should I say this? Should I not? That sort of thing. They're not really living in the moment because they are living more so in that energy of what will happen if I do this, what will happen if I do that. So somebody here is pondering long and hard. Okay, there is this kind of energy also where you are here standing in your power, in your strength, knowing your worth and knowing your value. There's somebody here trying to manifest you. Okay, somebody's attention here is definitely on you with the Page of Wands. They're maybe kind of like wanting to flirt with you more, or they are flirting with the idea of having you in their lives, having you in their future, because somebody here sees you in their future. Yeah, maybe you guys have not manifested this thing, whatever it is, you know, right now, right here, but this is kind of like more for the future. This is kind of like telling you it's coming. Okay, so there's going to be some kind of energy here where it's going to ask either you or for this person to kind of detach. Okay, worry basically over nothing and fear nothing. When you detach, that's when all of your manifestations come in. Okay, but whoever this person is, we're going to see who this is, because there's somebody here, like I said, they're exploring that thought of having you in their lives. They're considering you for something else, maybe taking this situation to the next level, whatever this has to do with. Okay, somebody here not wanting to give up on a situation or on a person. Somebody here is maybe kind of like they've been reasonable for quite some time, and so this time around somebody here is about to stand their ground. Okay, but let's go ahead and see what this is all about. You could be dealing with a Libra, does not have to be, but look at all of these gorgeous energies. Wait until I show you what's at the bottom of the deck. Justice will be served, okay? So here this situation could possibly be a court case, you know, whatever, a divorce. It's going to work out in your favor. The universe executes a very, very precise order of justice. I always like to remind you guys. And here there's a karmic debt that is going to be reconciled at this very moment, this very week, okay? So this matter basically is telling you it's no longer in your hands this week. So take a deep breath, draw a breath, and go through it one day at a time. The truth will be exposed. The truth will be revealed. Okay, there's going to be some kind of clarity coming in for you, and this clarity is going to lead to some kind of beautiful union. This is a beautiful union. This is coexisting with another person, with maybe even just like with a teammate. It could be as simple as that. But this is basically a 10 of Cups. I mean, the 10 of Cups is a beautiful union here. You know that it's kind of like meant to be. Okay, it's basically you guys are connected at all levels, and so there is going to be a resistance from a part, like either of you or the other person. So take nothing for you know granted, and also don't take things personally. Stand firm and don't doubt or give into this urge of some kind of attachment. Like I said, what's going to work for you this week is to detach from the situation. You will be adequately provided for. I do sense that whatever it is that you kind of feel like, oh, maybe if I, you know, try to detach from this situation, you know, you're going to lose your job, or you're going to, you know, you're going to lose a relationship. Detachment this week is what's actually going to work in your favor. Okay. kind of like, you know, approaching this week in a very logical type of way. Now, at the bottom of the deck, I do see that this is a soulmate union. Look at this, the Two of Cups, a soulmate connection. Two people that are coming together that are meant to be with one another. Now, right now, this is kind of just telling you, trust your destiny, okay? The Two of Cups, a soulmate union. Your soulmate could possibly be as close to you as being by your side, or maybe in front of you, or maybe around you, okay? So as far as something on, you know, kind of like not too much of a distant path is what I'm trying to say. So trust in your ultimate destiny to find each other because they are lingering around, okay? Now, I do sense that whoever this person is, be encouraged to kind of like seek out new things and new ventures, because the Fool is attached to this kind of energy, a very healthy attachment, okay? Now, I do sense that there is this kind of energy where right now, this is going to allow you to reach deeper, the deeper depths within your soul, the deeper depths within yourself, to really kind of bring that part of you out that really truly desires this connection, okay? Whether this is brand new, whether you're single, whether you're not, whatever it is, this is karma at play here, okay? So something here, it's sort of like better to detach. What I'm saying is it's in action is the best course of action in this situation, okay? But do be open to new situations, to new people. I do sense that there's somebody here worried still. They kind of are experiencing a little bit of sleepless nights because they're kind of trying to figure out a plan to have you in their life. How are they going to have you in their future? Or maybe this is you trying to plan for the future. How am I going to make this happen, etc., etc. There is going to be a sacrifice that will need to be made. This person is already thinking about, okay, you know what, if I want to get to where I want to get to, or maybe you're thinking this about the other person, there is a sacrifice that somebody here is already planning on taking, okay? There is a lot of overwhelming energy in this person's kind of like vibe. It's sort of like they've taken on too much. They've taken on a responsibility that does not belong to them, whether this is you or them. And so this is the blockage this week, okay? This week, this is the blockage. Letting go of something that is not working in order to bring in energy of the future, because this blockage is what's creating this anxiety. Now, we're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this person is, because I do see that in the past, somebody walked away, but they walked away feeling a sense of emptiness, okay? They kind of are now realizing, they're understanding, they're learning their spiritual lessons, and they're understanding that they did not want to give up on the situation. So that's for a group of you guys. We're going to go into the extended reading, like I said, to see who that person is. But before we do that, let's jump into your yes or no question. So as I shuffle, go ahead and ask your question. You will be receiving a yes or no answer to your question. So is this a yes or no? But before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. Thank you so much for subscribing. And also, if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and take the time right now to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. It really helps me, and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. All right, let's get back into your question. Is this a yes or no? Are you ready? Drum roll. That is a definite yes. Wow. Okay, so somebody here is growing. Their emotions are growing. They're maturing. This is the type of personality who does not like to show too much emotion by expressing it with words. This person mostly expresses it with action, okay? Sort of like, you know, telling you, I'm going to buy a house so that we can live together. And, you know, the other person's like, well, wait, you haven't even said I love you. And, you know, they're like, well, that's, you know, I'm showing it to you. I'm showing you that I love you with my actions, right? So somebody here is very action oriented. So if somebody here has not been very expressive verbally, okay, that does not mean that they don't care. It means that this is a more practical kind of personality. They show how they care through their form of action. So that's a definite yes for you this week. It's a beautiful energy here, and it's a solid foundation as well, okay? This person is coming across as very solid, wanting some kind of stability, wanting something for the future that is going to be very long term. Now let's go ahead and roll the dice, see what other divine guidance and angel messages messages we have here for you. You have Leo, also the number 4, more stability. 4s represent stability, structure, you guys. Okay, so you're coming into a lot of stability, you're coming into a lot of structure, and so embrace this week. Okay, this also represents, okay, the 4th house. So this is kind of like you suspecting, you know, maybe if you suspect something that is going wrong, or that's going to go wrong, or that's headed in the wrong way, or whatever it is, those are just fears. Okay, something here is about to stabilize itself beautifully in a very, very beautiful way. Now here again, embrace your own sign this week, your own energy, whatever the case may be. Embrace this lion energy, the sun type of energy. It's beautiful, gorgeous energy. It's very extroverted, very expressive. Express yourself this week, express your truth, plans for the future. Okay, so this is a beautiful energy here that you need to express this week in order for you to balance out some kind of karmic connection or some kind of karmic situation that is happening here for you. Okay, so embrace the limelight also. You know, it kind of like that energy where feel loved by your own energy, feel comforted by your own energy. That's gorgeous. All right, let's go ahead and see one affirmation message for you. What do we have here as an affirmation message for you? My body, mind, and soul are at peace. So whoever it is that has been having sleepless nights, this is for you, okay? The affirmation, my body, mind, and soul are at peace. With whatever decision you make, I do sense that it's going to be the right decision. There's going to be an element of new kind of coming energy, so embrace that type of energy as well. This is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings and weekly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out GinaMoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at GinaMoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.